Welcome back to A to Z Convos, and in today's video, I have 5 more idioms for you. And these idioms all have to do with animals. These idioms mention animals, but then remember, idioms are not exactly talking in very practical terms about what they say. So I will tell you what the idiom is and then the explanation. Then I'll use it in a sentence or two, and then I'll show you some videos of it being used on TV and in movies, the same idiom. And I would like you to use it in a sentence and put it in the comments so that we can see just how well you're doing. To let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. This means to reveal something that is or was a secret by mistake. To reveal a secret by mistake, sometimes on purpose. Now here's how I would use it in a sentence. Johnny let the cat out of the bag when he told everyone about the surprise party. Or, I mistakenly let the cat out of the bag when I told my friend that her boyfriend was about to propose. That's let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. Now it's your turn. Use it in a sentence, put it in the comments below, and check out some videos about how others use it on TV and in movies.
It wasn't up to me to let the cat out of the bag.
Fine. Yes, suppose the cat's out of the bag.
Cat's out of the bag, Doctor. No more secrets.
Oh, great. Now the cat's out of the bag.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to let the cat out of the bag.
Oh, did I let the cat out of the bag?
Well, technically, Stella let the cat out of the bag.
Wild goose chase. Wild goose chase. This means something that's an impossible pursuit, something that's just impossible to accomplish. Now, here's how I would use it in a sentence. I was looking for a diamond and I went on a wild goose chase all around the shopping mall to see if they had the exact one I was looking for. Or, Johnny was looking for the perfect job, but it really was a wild goose chase because he was never going to find one that he liked anyway. Okay? So that's wild goose chase. Wild goose chase. An impossible pursuit. Now check out these videos, and when you finish, use it in a sentence and put that in the comments below. Wild goose chase.
I wasn't sending you on a wild goose chase. I was trying to get you in the habit of doing things without me.
Is he asking for more money?
He's asking us to fund a wild goose chase.
I don't think this is getting anywhere, Mr. Beaumont. You're turning this into a wild goose chase.
Look, first you said he was playing shuffleboard, then you said he was in the lounge. Is this some sort of wild goose chase?
When pigs fly. When pigs fly. That's a way of saying that something will never happen. It's just not going to happen when pigs fly. Now here's how I would use it in a sentence. I will pay for your new car when pigs fly. I'll pay for your new car when pigs fly. Or, he said that he was going to give her a brand new Rolls Royce when pigs fly. He said he would give her a Rolls Royce when pigs fly. All right, now check out these videos, see how others use it, and then go ahead and use it in a sentence and put it in the comments below. I want to see what creative sentences you come up with when pigs fly.
You know, Smithers, I think I'll donate $1 million to the local orphanage. When pigs fly.
As long as Denise cooperates. Denise?
When pigs fly.
Never hurts to ask.
If you ever need a little chaos in your act, let me know.
When pigs fly.
Someday you'll thank me.
Yeah, when pigs fly.
Come on, Haley. The NGA won't reinstate my membership unless you apologize.
Yeah, right. When pigs fly.
Ah!
Chomping at the bit. Chomping at the bit. That means to be eager to do something, to really want to do something. Here's how I would use it in a sentence. I was chomping at the bit to get my hands on that book because I really wanted to read it. I was chomping at the bit to get my hands on the book because I really wanted to read it. Chomping at the bit. Now check out some videos and then you use it in a sentence and put it in the comments below.
Really?
Hey, is Jerry into it?
Completely into it. He's chomping at the bit.
Really?
Chomping or champing?
I think it's champing.
Chomping?
No, it's spelled chomping and it's pronounced chomping.
Not so sure.
I'm so sure.
Really?
Yeah. Chomp.
Where you guys been? Mount Bernoulli's chomping at says he wants his merchandise yesterday.
Really? I was hoping you had it down by now. I have a marketing department chomping at the bit.
Look at him. He's chomping at the bit.
Stop setting me up!
I wasn't exactly chomping at the bit to be with a middle-aged man with crippling mommy issues.
The elephant in the room. The elephant in the room. This means a problem that nobody wants to talk about. A problem that nobody wants to talk about. Here's how I would use it in a sentence. Can we please address the elephant in the room and talk about Johnny's debt? Can we please address the elephant in the room and talk about Johnny's debt? Or I would say, no one realized that the elephant in the room was Johnny's debt. No one realized, or everyone realized, that the elephant in the room was Johnny's debt. Now, here are some videos. Go ahead and watch them, and then use this idiom in a sentence, the elephant in the room, and put it in the comments. I'd like to see what you come up with.
I'm gonna address the elephant in the room. Okay, first of all, you guys, I want to say sorry to.
Well, let's address the elephant in the room, shall we?
Cameron. Yes, I addressed the elephant in the room. You weren't here for it.
You know, there was never $20 whatever million in my LLC.
The $20 million elephant in the room. Why is the paper saying that $20 million went into your LLC?
Well, I'm me, so I'll address the elephant in the room. Anybody been to see Mom?
Ants in his pants. Ants in his pants. That means he can't sit still, or she can't sit still. If you say ants in her pants, that means the person cannot sit still. Here's how I would use it in a sentence. Whenever it's time to sit down for dinner, Billy gets ants in his pants. Or when it's time to pray, Jane gets ants in her pants, meaning they can't sit still and just focus and do that. Ants in his pants or ants in her pants. Now here's some videos that you can watch, and then go ahead and use ants in his pants or ants in her pants in a sentence and put them in the comments below. Let's see what you come up with.
I'm edgy. I got ants in my pants. I'm discombobulated. Give me a calmative.
Ants in my pants.
Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so that you can see new videos as I post them. And if you have any specific idioms that you would like me to cover, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Thank you.